Welcome to another Stitch Fix unboxing video. I don't think I've ever gotten a long box like this, so I went a little bit more cozy on you today because it is freezing outside. It is very, very windy. I can't believe how dramatic the temperature has dropped these past few days. If you are a new viewer here, I share fashion and styling videos with you every Monday and Friday. So if you are interested in seeing more from me, don't forget to subscribe, and then that little notification bell on the side, if you click on that, that will just remind you every time I upload. I'm doing a ThredUp unboxing on Monday. I'm really excited about it because I've never tried ThredUp before. They do those goodie boxes, and so many of you have been telling me to try it out, so I listened to you and I'm going to try it out, and I'm going to share my experience on Monday. I teamed up with NUULY Jewelry once again to share with you a few more of my favorite pieces from them because they are currently running a Black Friday exclusive sale on their website. So if you aren't familiar with NUULY as a brand, they offer jewelry starting at $39 and then they go up into the more higher end luxury pieces. But you will be getting sustainable jewelry whether you choose luxury or more affordable. I really appreciate that about them, that they offer a price range for everybody, but they always offer that quality that I must have, especially if I'm going to be wearing jewelry on a daily basis. And I wish I could be that type of person that could wear really cheap jewelry and it just didn't affect me, but I end up getting very swollen, irritated ears. This first pair I chose because it's in the little heart shape and it has the red outline of the heart, and then inside is the gold heart. And then it has a little link to a little pearl that drops down. So this pair I actually really like styling with my Zara collar top that I've been wearing with everything recently, especially with the pop of red in there. This would be such a perfect gift for Christmas or Valentine's Day. If you like delicate but you want a little bit of a statement, this would definitely be a pair I'd recommend. These next earrings are in the style Scarlet. These ones are in that double hoop style, so it's one earring but it looks like two. These are the type of earrings that go with any outfit. It can be casual or dressy. I feel like these heart earrings could be more of a dressy occasion. These ones are either way. And then this last piece that I wanted to share with you today is a little dainty necklace. This has the tiniest little butterfly on it. It's so tiny. This looks beautiful with a V-neck or like a deep scoop neck dress or a top. Add some ruffles or embroidery. This one sits a little bit higher in the neck, so it'd actually be really nice for layering. Sometimes just the tiny things really stand out, and this one I think is one of those. So those are all the pieces that I wanted to share with you today. I've been really enjoying this jewelry brand. I will have the link to their website down below that will take you to all their Black Friday sales and all that's going on right now. I still cannot believe that we are in November. So now I am ready to jump right into my Stitch Fix unboxing. This is our shipping label. This looks like way more than 5 items. And this will have all the price information and the note from our stylist, which I just like reading at the end of the video. Okay, so the reason why we have more than 5 items in this box is because I added something in, and this is something I've been really curious about. I have been really loving like backless dresses, backless jumpsuits and all that, and it's really hard to wear them with a bra. So I thought I would try these. What are they called? They're called the New Bra, and it's their seamless adhesive bra. I got the tan in a size C. It's those bras that don't come with any straps. Sometimes I get tops that are really hard to work with when you have straps going everywhere, and even when you have like that back band. So I thought I would give these a shot. Oh my goodness, I'm actually really excited about these because, I don't know, are these going to become my new favorite thing? I feel like everybody knows about these, but I just have never actually tried them out, and I'm really curious to see if they actually work. They are very sticky, so I don't know, is that gonna hurt taking them off? I don't know, but I think it's really cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you these on. I'll let you know about these, but I figured I would just go ahead and let you know the price of these because this is $45. I don't know if it's gonna be worth that, but I'm going to try them out and see how I feel about them. I'm gonna do this big bag first. Okay, it looks like we got a lot of stuff this round. I'm not really fond of stripes going across like this. I actually prefer them going down, but I do like this. The red and the yellow are definitely two of my favorite. in this color combination. But this is from Madewell. It's a size medium, and this seems a lot bigger than a size medium. So it's probably meant to be a more of an oversized fit. It actually doesn't feel as heavy and thick as Madewell fabric usually is, but then again, it might be a little bit more affordable. I feel like it's a little bit different than something that I would typically go for, but I'm down for trying it out. To pair this sweater with these white jeans from Madewell. The sweater I think is actually a perfect fit. It is a little bit more of a loose style. This sweater is definitely growing on me. This one is a little bit more lightweight, which surprised me, but it still feels like really nice quality. It's very soft. It does have a little pocket in the front too, which I really like. I think that's really cute. Oh my goodness, this is so soft. I mean, this feels like straight up wool. This one is a bit oversized too, but it is from RD Style. So this does contain recycled yarn. That's cool. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so the tag says that it's extra large, but the Stitch Fix tag says it's a medium. Obviously, I'm okay with oversized things right now. I'm wearing a big oversized sweater today, so I'm really interested to see the price of this because it does feel like it's going to be a little bit more pricey. Always finding some excuse to wear my summer dresses during the fall and winter, and this is just another way that I can do that. I really like how neutral this top is because I think it really fits into the minimal theme of this dress. This dress has a lot of detail and I feel like it's still appreciated. I like wearing sweaters like this with dresses because sometimes this type of fabric can really cause some irritation with my skin, so I have to be careful about that with sweaters. I really like that it's a little bit more oversized because it fits over the puff sleeves of this dress. It complements my shoulder very well. If this is affordable, I could see myself getting this because, I mean, I'm always looking for stuff that I can pair with my dresses. We're getting a little bit of color here. This is from Mason & Bell. It's a size large. Oh, that is actually really cute. This is a short sleeve dress, but I think I could layer this up and I would be fine. It has buttons down the front, and then there is a keyhole style in the back. There is a little bit of elastic in the waistline as well. I'm gonna go style this and I will be right back. Show you what this looked like without the black pullover sweater on. I am wearing it with my black sheer text tights and then my black boots that I got from Nordstrom. I love this dress though. I think it falls at the perfect length. I would love it if this came with long sleeves. I know this is more of a spring summer dress, but I can still wear it as kind of like a mini skirt. Really easy to get into because of the elastic right here. And then this is just what the back looks like. You have that keyhole. I love this floral pattern, and actually I think the large fits me really well. For this Stitch Fix box, I did request a pair of wide leg jeans. Hopefully we got a pair of wide leg jeans. These look like they're more of a flare style than a wide leg, but I still actually really like the look of them. They are from Cosmic Blue Love. They are a size 30. Cosmic Blue Love has been pretty reasonable as far as pricing in the past, and these do have a lot of stretch in them, which I have got to have stretch in my jeans. All right, well, I'm gonna go see how these fit. jeans fit perfectly around my hips, and I think that they are a very nice length too. I was worried that they were going to be a little short, but I think they do fall at a really nice length. But they're not the wide leg style that I was hoping for. This pair was really nice and stretchy, so it was very easy to get into, and I mean, I really like them. And they are more of a mid-rise on me, not so much the high-rise that I prefer. This is my last item in my box. This is an oversized cardigan. It has a hood, it has pockets, and it's the softest, coziest material in this entire box. I mean, this is something that I want to wrap myself up in today. But this is from a brand called Vigos. It's a size medium. This still has a lot of stretch in it. I really hope that this is not super expensive, but I mean, just feeling the material, I feel like it's going to be. I'm gonna go style this, and then I will be right back to share with you the prices for everything. This is the type of cozy I need in my life right now. I really like the length of it. I feel like it's long enough for me. Sometimes oversized cardigans can sometimes fall at weird length, but this one I feel like is perfect. And then you can see the hood in the back. I really like how much stretch is in this too. This is such a nice neutral color that I could really have fun layering this with a lot of different outfits. Let's talk about prices. First, these Cosmic Blue Love wide leg trousers in the size 10. These are $88. Okay, so I do think that these are worth that. They are very well made, but I've had my eye on a pair of wide leg jeans from Shopbop that I am saving up for Christmas, so I'm not going to get these. If you are wanting more of that boot cut style, not so much the wide leg, I think you would really like these. So next we have the Madewell Cotton Blend Pullover in light gray, size medium, and this is $75. Okay, so that's actually a little bit more reasonable than I was thinking. Sometimes Madewell can be really expensive. Usually I expect something very chunky and heavy from Madewell. This one is still great quality, but it's not like what I'm used to. I hope that makes sense. I don't know that I would actually pay $75 for this sweater, but I did like it. Then we have the Lila button detail dress from Mason & Bell. This is $48. I do think that that's quite reasonable for a dress, but I just don't think that I need something like this in my closet right now. Like, I have lots of dresses like this, so I don't feel like I need to invest in it, but if you are looking for a little date night dress or something like that, I do think that it's definitely, I recommend this one too. Next we have, okay, I'm actually really excited about this one. This is $68. I was expecting this to be $100. Out of everything that I've showed you today, I think I would recommend this the most. I think the hood adds some extra cozy to it, and I really like this color too. Man, I'm going to be tempted to keep this one. If you need a cozy cardigan, request this one. And then last, this is the Charlotte crewneck pullover in tan. This is $68. And actually, this cardigan sweater is softer than this. This one is very soft, but it's a little bit more itchy. This one is extremely soft and it's not itchy. I still would recommend this one over this one. But if you don't like the hood, this is a really great way to go too. The Stylist Picks subtotal was $347. My old discount would take off 25%, so that would take off $86.75. Then I would add in the adhesive bra, which was $45, so the extra subtotal would be $305.25. As far as what I'm going to keep, I'm only going to keep these. But if I could keep something, and if I had the budget to keep something this round, I most definitely would be keeping this cardigan sweater. I think this whole box was really good. I don't think it was like 100% my style. I still feel like I'm kind of missing a little bit of the romantic. These were definitely more, I think, more basics than anything, which I am okay with. But that is everything I have to share with you for this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget that I have the link to Ana Luisa jewelry in my description box. Be sure to check that out, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.